Hello everyone. Windows 11 is still only available in dev version. So if you have installed Windows 11 on your system, you may face several bugs, and if you are having a problem with Windows startup, like Windows auto start problem or auto restart problem, you can say. Even if you shut down your system, it will auto restart or auto start. So we are going to fix this problem in this video. So to know how you can fix the problem, please watch the full video and don't skip any steps. And if you are new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. So let's proceed to the steps. At first, you need to open your command prompt as an administrator. So just Windows plus S. Here we open our Windows source, and here the source cmd, and run it as an administrator. So here our cmd or command prompt is open. Now you need to run some command lines. The first command line is gp update. Now hence it is completed successfully. Now just enter the command line cls and hit the enter button. So now you need to enter another command line, that is chk dsk space. Now with the parameter of your OS installation, in my case it is a C drive, and just hit the enter button. So now it will take some time, just hold on. Make sure the command is executed properly. You can just cross check my screen to verify that your command is executed properly. Now just type exit and just exit the system, and be sure to exit each and every Windows before proceeding to the next step. Now just go on Windows search and search for registry editor and run it as an administrator. Now just go to HKey local machine and expand it, HKey local machine. Now you need to go to software. After that you need to go to Microsoft and expand it, and within Microsoft you need to go to Windows. Just scroll down and go to Windows, expand it. Now right click on Windows and click on new, and just click on key and rename it as Windows Update. Now right click on Windows Update, click on new and click on key. Now rename it as AU. Now again right click on AU and click on new and select bit value as per your system configuration. Here my system is 64-bit, so I will go for keyword 64-bit value and rename it as no auto reboot with logged on user. Right click on it and click on modify and set the value as 1 and just Save it. And now your problem is solved, and this was the full tutorial which will solve your Windows 11 auto restart problem. Hope you like the video. So if you like the video, press the like button, subscribe our channel and share this video with your other friends.